You were a Boilermaker, and you built boilers in powerhouses and large industrial and commercial buildings, and now you've been diagnosed with mesothelioma, and you're trying to figure out all the ways that you could have been exposed to asbestos. Hi, I'm Joe Williams. I'm a mesothelioma trial attorney in New York City, and I can answer questions about the ways that Boilermakers were exposed to asbestos. Now, a Boilermaker, a union Boilermaker, built the boilers in the powerhouses, built the boilers in the largest structures in the cities in America. And I can talk to you about one particular client of mine who was a union Boilermaker who worked in the local powerhouses here in New York City. And his work involved construction and erecting huge multi-story boilers, in some circumstances 10 stories high, in powerhouses, in power generating stations. And this work involved working with and sawing with a saw asbestos block, mixing asbestos cement and applying it to different parts of these boiler apparatus, using this mixed asbestos cement and applying it to steam pipes and hot water pipes, working with flange gaskets, cutting asbestos containing gaskets to put between metal flanges on pipes, working with packing inside of valves and inside of pumps. And this Boilermaker that I'm speaking of, this former client of mine, was exposed to asbestos in all of these ways. And these are just some of the exposures that a Boilermaker would have. You have questions about how a Boilermaker was exposed to asbestos. We can answer those questions. I'm Joe Williams. At our office, we represent victims of mesothelioma every day. I invite you to call our office at the number below and we'll answer your questions. Thank you.